Resistance training, often referred to as strength training or weight training, involves engaging in exercises that work against an external force to build strength and power. Athletes from various sports incorporate resistance training into their routines to enhance their performance and excel in their chosen disciplines. There are several methods to engage in resistance training. Athletes can utilize free weights such as dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells to challenge their muscles. These tools offer versatility and allow for a wide range of exercises that target specific muscle groups, promoting balanced and functional strength. Resistance machines are another valuable resource for athletes. These machines provide controlled movements and help isolate specific muscle groups, allowing athletes to focus on building strength and stability. Leg presses, chest presses, and cable machines are just a few examples of the wide array of machines available. Bodyweight exercises are an excellent option for athletes on the go or those who prefer minimalist training. Movements like push-ups, squats, and lunges utilize an athlete's own body weight to provide resistance, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These exercises improve functional strength and body control. Now that we've covered the different methods of resistance training, let's talk about why it's essential for athletes. Resistance training is a game changer for athletes. Not only does it increase muscular strength and power, but it also enhances athletic performance across various sports. By challenging the muscles and central nervous system, resistance training improves explosive strength, speed, agility, and endurance. It also helps prevent injuries by strengthening tendons, ligaments, and bones, creating a solid foundation for optimal athletic performance. One common misconception is that resistance training will lead to excessive muscle mass and hinder athletic performance. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. When approached with the right training program and nutrition plan, resistance training promotes lean muscle development and functional strength, enhancing an athlete's performance without compromising agility or speed. Whether you're a track and field athlete, a soccer player, or any other type of athlete, resistance training can help you reach new heights in your sport. By incorporating resistance exercises into your training routine, you can improve your performance, reduce the risk of injuries, and achieve your athletic goals. That wraps up our exploration of resistance training on today's video. Remember, embracing resistance training will take your athletic performance to the next level.